Now we just figure we come back up here and blow something up. Mix this up a little Tannerite. We're going to take this over on the other side of the pond. Set it up on the other side of the pond. We're going to secure this in the ground. Drop that right in there. Set that on top of it. We're going to shoot it and see how high we can send it up in the sky.
What you guessing?
I'm guessing it's gonna explode top of the tree, baby. Top of the tree, top of the tree.
Look at the moon, Mommy.
I don't know, I think it might go higher. So we didn't catch no perch. My number one fisherman said it's too cold, so we're gonna come up here and blow something up. We got 243, got a little bit of Tannerite set up on the other side of the pond. We're gonna see if we can send that ball orbit up above that tree. See what happens. I'm getting that chair right over there. Okay, are you watching that ball?
Yeah.
Watch that ball. We're gonna see if it'll go in the air. We'll be all right. You ready? It didn't blow up. Nope.
I hope you. I'm looking for you.
No. Let Papa go get it. I'm gonna go set it back up. I must have shot above the Tannerite. So
What did you do?
I didn't miss,
What did you do?
but it did not blow up. I shot it and hit the lid and knocked the lid off of the thing and spilled the rest of it. It's split. I just didn't catch it center, I guess, is what got it. So we're gonna have to try to set up and do it again. See what happens. One more time again. I think I was shooting because where I'm sighted in, I was just shooting high.
How big of a rifle does it take to make it go off?
They just take just a high-powered something moving about 2,000 feet per second, a little over 2,000 feet per second. Used to they made it you could shoot it with a 22 and it go off.
Yeah, that's what I was wondering.
But now they done up it so you can shoot it with 22, it won't do nothing. You gotta have a higher powered rifle to shoot it with. We'll see what happens.
Now they all
Yeah, it is. But it looks like it's in about 4 pieces.
yeah.
Now how above the tree you think it went?
That's what I was gonna say.
Need to get us a stronger ball, something that don't come apart when it goes up in the air.
Nathan, your camcorder right here?
That's all right. I was watching the video last night and they were shooting full. You couldn't see the shot the ball was sitting right there in front of the camera. Hey, we blew it up. I'm sure it went. I didn't get to see how high above the tree. I have to watch the video and see. But Life of Mike. We just playing, having fun, guys. This piece of PVC was from when I shot the first one and it hit the lid and it broke. That's where that piece was come from. I ain't found the first stinking piece of that other one. I don't. But there ain't much left of it. Yeah. This is old bobber off in one of them old crab traps, fishing traps, and they was donated to me, so I use them for jugs out in the river. We paint them, put glass on them so you can see them when the light hits them. Yeah. So right now, we're gonna jump in the truck and old 75 out here and run back down the road and get some more Tannerite so we can come back and try to blow up a lawnmower. Check out the truck. He said he's gonna let me have it after this ride. No. Good looking old truck right there. So we're gonna run down the road, get some more Tannerite, come back, set it up, see if we can blow up a lawnmower.
Try to really blow it up.
I might try to blow something up and you got wet Tannerite.
Well, I didn't know it was this old, okay?
Pretty good there.
Hey. What's a woman in the orange got?
Kelly's right-handed.
Yeah, that's way too fast. You need to slow down.
I think I just finished his beer for it. It was sitting there. I was like, damn, I got two hands, I can't even drink the beer. And I let him grab it and drank it. And, damn, there's mine right there.
He looked like he went to sushi school the way he was chopping with that knife over there.
I don't even know what this. It says it's Tannerite, but
He didn't even try his left hand yet.
but that you might be able to snort this shit.
I don't believe I tried.
Here, smell my finger.
Well, here, go ahead and get that little package down there and put in it. The one that ain't open.
This is the good Tannerite. This is the
Take the lid off.
whatever the fuck it is. Tannerite.
We got good,
We got
Here.
we got good pebbles, and then we have powder.
and then that looks like brownie.
Yeah. I don't know what the fuck's going
We
on.
got pebbles and brownies. What is this? Something? Hey,
You
I
videoing
think
it
so.
like it? Yeah, you are.
That's gonna blow.
Oh yeah.
there's the good stuff.
Okay. And then
Oh, and there's. Ooh-wee. There's quite a difference there, folks.
We're gonna see.
But you know what? That did.
I'm gonna ease out here and pour some gasoline a little bit. Light a fire up on the top, so maybe if it explodes the way it's supposed to, maybe it'll give us a little something we can look at, and we'll see what happens. Damn.
hurry up, man. Hurry up. Got that shit lit? We about to.
Hit little more than I thought it was going to. I don't know if I can see the time. Well, we made an explosion, but it wasn't like we thought it was going to be, guys. Life of Mike. We're still working on it. You want to take a shot?
I shot a what?
Whiskey.
You want to shoot the gun?
Yeah, I want to shoot the gun.
I'll see if you can hit it.
Are those fire extinguishers?
They're fire extinguishers. We gotta extinguish the fire.
You better hurry up because it's going to burn that whole tree down.
It's all right.
Did somebody come video?
I believe the lawnmower's burning. We got a better fire over here than we got over there.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. The lawnmower might be a little hot.
Hey, but we got a couple of fire extinguishers right here. Let's go shoot them, see if we can put it out.
Yeah.
Poor old Craftsman lawnmower. We might better go for a tire blow up. Shot. We still got fire though, I didn't put it out. Put it out. Well, you did hit it. It didn't
Hit it,
blow
but
up.
it didn't do nothing.
Yeah, it's gone.
That fire extinguisher wasn't good.
Bye from Mike. We're gonna put something together, just keep you looking at us, keep it interesting. I got some more stuff coming.
If we do it again, just throw the button on the top.
It's cold outside. I wasn't even supposed to do this tonight, but hey, just so I could throw something out there with you guys, have a little fun tonight, a little fire outside. We're gonna try to keep it coming. We're finna roll down the road. We blowed up the lawnmower. Fire's dying down on it a little bit out there. We ain't quite ready to give it up, so we're gonna ride down the road and see if we can get a donut out of one of these vehicles we got. Just go have a little fun, see what happens. Come on! Ease off into it, fill it out, keep her coming. Well, quit spinning your tires.
Huh?
Quit spinning your tires.
Trying to make my engine doesn't overflow again. More nutty, buddy?
He hit that shit like he was going to hydroplane across the top of the water instead of drive through it.
If he was driving, turkeys. He doing what he thought he could do.
That's right. All right, props to him. Give it to him. Y'all check him out. We're gonna do some more fun stuff with it. But,
I'm gonna teach this boy how to get in the mud. Though.
He's probably gonna get in trouble when this video comes out and his mama sees it.
Well, I want to talk. He's a
Come
young
on, let's
man
go
just
talk
like
to
we was.
What happened?
Hey, you hit that like you're just gonna hydroplane right across top of it if you went fast enough.
That's kind of what I thought, but it didn't happen.
Well, no, that old truck's a little heavy.
A little bit heavy.
Yeah, it's supposed to ease off in there, you know.
Well, I thought if I eased off in there, I was just going to get stuck immediately.
You made it pretty good.
I mean,
It wasn't bad, it wasn't hard to get out.
It wasn't hard to get out, but I probably would have gotten stuck anyway. It would have gone.
Hey, it's all about having fun and playing.
Eventually, this bitch is going to be on a lift with 35-inch tires.
There you go.
It's going to have 35-inch mud tires on it eventually.
And then we'll do some more playing in the mud.
Yep.
Well, let's turn this shit around and go get back by a fire where it's warm.
Yeah.
That's some pretty good heat coming out the front of the truck right
Pretty
here.
good goddamn heat
Got
here
a
too,
little
baby.
bit. Let's see. Don't spill my beer.
You can't fucking do it.
I'll just get in the truck. I'm gonna tell you, look, next time you do something like that, just ease off in it because
Well,
if
I
you hit it
wasn't
fast,
going in the water.
all that
but I
water's
was
gonna come up there.
explain to him
You hit it
why
fast,
he
the
was
water
in the
splashes
water.
up over the hood, might
Where
get
he
something in
needs
your
to
car,
put
bro,
this at.
and you end up killing the truck out. Yeah. Ease off in it,
Because I ain't
and
playing
then
that.
gas on it once you get in it. If you
No,
need to,
you
yeah.
fucking did as good as you was gonna do right there. Don't listen to this motherfucker.
Yeah, he almost he was gonna hydroplane right across.
Hey,
Oh
yeah.
Go get some firewood.
Oh, yeah,
and
there's
get this
no
fire
way-
going.
Everybody
And,
down here is
try to warm up a little bit because we ain't making it through that mud hole tonight.
Yep. Okay, that's good.
Yeah, that's how you do it. Blow it, blow it. Don't stomp on it, whatever you do.
See, when you catch shit on fire, you just gotta remain calm
Yeah, that's right.
That's it right there.
and take
Remain
care of
calm.
on it.
No, it ain't.
That's how fucking Ford drivers burn tires.
Live a mic, baby. Do I got eyebrows left? I don't know. The side of my face feels pretty red.
They are
Hey,
kind
Chad,
of thin.
is my forehead burnt?
Yeah.
My shit
Only
feels
when you hold
sizzled.
your shit back like that.
Let me see.
It looks funny.
Feels sizzled.
Nope.
Red dot.
Woo, having fun. That's all we can do is have fun. It ain't very cold now. We got a fire going.
Until,
Shit, it ain't very cold. I got some beer in me.
And I've actually
Y'all don't know nothing about this.
Y'all gonna do the bell? You gonna do the Valley Road?
Y'all
Oh, this
the
motherfucker.
front cover with the back cover, but hey.
That fucking still counts. I mean,
Oh,
shit.
there you go. This shit.
I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Hey, his aunt called the lawn. He got a picture of him.
I know. I know. Oh, yeah.
had to get a drink.
Hey,
Hey, help my beer.
I need a video.
Huh?
Do it again, I need a video.
Alright.
Alright, hey, hold on, motherfucker.
Put my beer back behind. If I go that way, stop. And I still don't know.
So sorry. Oh my
Oh
God.
my God, we playing, have fun.
My beard.
Don't be scared, don't be mad at us. We just playing. Be all right.
right.